Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you a wonderful product that I personally sell. GeoComfort Geothermal Systems has made this wonderful cutout display model painted green to resemble the green energy saving systems that this can provide. One of the key components of this machine is that their electronic control panel are all mounted at eye level, making it easier for service and diagnostics for a service technician, and gives it a rotational advantage over their consumers. This particular model is their GXT, and it is multi-positional, as upflow, downflow, left-hand return, right-hand return, all in one machine. It is state-of-the-art and well advanced over most other manufacturers' models. It features all digital controls, individual fault lights, makes our servicing a lot easier, and like I said, it's state-of-the-art control systems. It also is capable to have an auxiliary heating system put in here, so if we want to have electric strip backup systems, it's available. We are also very well incorporated with the Emerson systems of a DC drive variable speed ECM blower motors. This blower motor matches itself to the size of the ductwork in the system and is very high energy efficient. One of the new technologies that GeoComfort has, so I'll show you in a bit, is a micro-channel air coil, allowing them to run a 3/4 horsepower motor where most of their competitors have to run a 1 horsepower motor, thus saving multiple amps of electricity and makes their system more energy efficient. As I mentioned before, the XT series is a field convertible left-hand or right-hand return, which gives us multiple applications for installation. Their new systems use what's called two-stage K5 scroll compressors, which gives us the availability of higher energy efficiency as well as great avenues for staging ductwork systems and increased energy efficiencies as well. One of the neat things that they developed here a year and a half ago is a new foamed-in coaxial heat exchanger, something new to the industry. And I'll show you something over here. This heat exchanger has some of the coolest looking swirlies in it that you ever saw, allowing for a greater energy transfer from the refrigerant and the water circuits, giving it a higher energy efficiency. Is designed with the big hole in the center, allowing us to run a special ductwork sleeve that goes down through for downflow applications. Again, the green is just a symbol. It comes in a beautiful champagne color, and this is only for a cutaway demonstration model. The bracket you see inside the fan motor is only for our shipping to help secure rough roads, rough transporting companies in case of preventing internal damage to the machine. So they've gone to great extents to make their systems more reliable as they come to us as a dealer. The newest innovation that GeoComfort has come across with is called the micro-channel coil. This technology has been used in the automotive industry for several years, and GeoComfort is the first manufacturer to use this in an air coil in the geothermal industry. It has a greater airflow characteristics, allowing them to run the smaller blower motor, as well as has greater thermal transfer of energy, making it more energy efficient than the normal copper coaxial systems that are used in previous models. Now I'm going to show you the inside here where they actually have connections for a primary and secondary drain line. And it comes into multiple locations along again for alternate sources of layout for installation. Again, I want to reiterate that this is not the color of the unit. This is a demonstration model only to highlight the green energy efficiency of the wonderful GeoComfort geothermal systems GXT multi-positional forced air heat pump. Thank you for watching.